The story of Cinderella. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful but oppressed girl named Cinderella. She lived with her stepmother and two cruel stepsisters. After her father's death, her stepmother treated her like a servant. Cinderella worked all day while her stepsisters wore beautiful clothes and attended parties. One day, the king announced a grand ball at the palace, where the prince would choose his future bride. Cinderella's stepsisters were thrilled, but Cinderella wasn't allowed to go. She sat in her room, crying. Suddenly, a magical light appeared, and a fairy godmother emerged. She said, "Don't be sad. I'll send you to the ball." With a wave of her wand, Cinderella's old clothes transformed into a beautiful gown, glass slippers sparkled on her feet, and a pumpkin turned into a magnificent carriage. When Cinderella arrived at the palace, everyone's eyes were on her, especially the prince's. They danced together, but Cinderella remembered the fairy godmother's warning: the magic will end at midnight. As the clock struck 12, Cinderella rushed out, leaving behind one glass slipper. The next day, the prince searched for Cinderella. He announced that the girl whose foot fit the glass slipper would be his bride. The stepsisters tried, but the slipper didn't fit. When Cinderella put it on, it fit perfectly. The prince was overjoyed and took Cinderella to the palace, where they lived happily ever after. The moral of the story is, goodness and patience always yield good results.